everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm back again with another sort of virtual retreat catch-up. This one was, God, I can't remember the name of this one. This was an old one that I had done that was a match-up with Pinkfresh Studio and Altenew. So, you know, it wasn't my favorite. Oops, this is for sharing some other cards that we'll get into. So if you have seen any of my earlier videos, you will see that I have had some computer problems and I lost all my videos. So really, these are just me sharing some cards with you guys and sort of what I used and so on. But anyway, these are specific to this Altenew Pinkfresh Studio matchup. And it was a small sort of class and cost a lot of money. Can't remember how much it was, but it wasn't a lot. And we didn't get a lot of product, really. We got, you know, a stamp, a die, and a stencil from each company, basically. And so, anyway, let's get into it. These are the cards that we made. So, I'm trying to remember which one was which. This must have been the Pinkfresh Studio one. And then this one was what, you know, was the Altenew. And I don't always love the projects that we make from Altenew sometimes. I did sign up for the Secret Garden one because I really like the people who are teaching in that particular one. And I feel like their projects usually align with, you know, with what I like to make. So we'll see. Because I was like, oh, I'm not going to do any more Altenew, but because, you know, it's kind of not my style. This one was not too bad. And then here are some other ones. So anyway, just to kind of give you an idea, if you guys were wondering what we made, if you saw that there was that Altenew Pinkfresh Studio matchup. And usually, and I really signed up for it because I'm a big Pinkfresh Studio fan. But I will say this wasn't my favorite. You know, it wasn't my favorite, but I did finally make all the cards. I feel good about that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.